Are you considering a luxury home in one of America's booming markets? Welcome to Charlotte, North Carolina, where the opportunities might just surprise you. Today we're breaking down why Charlotte's luxury market is outpacing places like California, New York, Texas, and even Florida, and how you can leverage up here. We'll uncover where the luxury market resides, how Charlotte compares to other major cities in terms of value and future potential, and lastly discuss how much it costs to purchase a luxury home. Stick around and discover the value that Charlotte offers that you might not find anywhere else. Welcome to the channel. I'm Mitch, your premier luxury real estate advisor for Charlotte and Lake Norman. Are you considering a move to this stunning area? I would love to help. I specialize in helping discerning buyers and sellers just like you navigate the luxury market with ease and confidence. Don't hesitate to reach out. My contact details are right here on the screen and also listed below this video. I'm here to provide you expert guidance every step of the way. Now, where is the luxury market in Charlotte? All right, before we jump in, let's set the stage. You might be watching this from places like California, New York, Florida, or even Texas, areas known for their higher real estate prices, and you're probably thinking, what's drawing luxury buyers to this beautiful area of Charlotte? Well, I'm about to show you exactly why our market is catching the eye of affluent buyers across the country. First, when we talk about luxury real estate markets here in Charlotte, we're mainly focused on what's known as the South Charlotte Triangle. This area has become the prime hub for high-end homes, and once you see the data, it's easy to understand why. Now, before we dive into the numbers, let me be clear. The data I'm sharing today applies specifically to homes within the city of Charlotte. So we're talking about properties within the true Charlotte address, meaning they have a Charlotte address, and this data is coming right from the MLS. If you're thinking of neighboring areas like Lake Norman area or outside of the city, they're different markets and within their own unique trends. So let's just focus on Charlotte for this one. But focusing on it itself, over the past 12 months, looking at single family homes priced over $1.5 million, here's what we will see. Nearly all 650 active pending and sold luxury properties are within the South Charlotte Triangle. Now that's a big deal if you're planning to relocate here and want to know where the most desirable luxury properties are concentrated. Now, there's a small pocket of high-end homes near Lake Wylie. Most of those reside in the Sanctuary neighborhood. This is the southeastern part of Charlotte, close to the South Carolina border. So while there's not as much of a concentration there, it's still worth noting, especially if you're looking for more of a space, a lot more privacy, much quieter within more of like a retreat-like atmosphere. So why does this matter? Well, I get calls all the time from out-of-state buyers who ask, Mitch, where should I focus my search to find the perfect luxury home in Charlotte? And that answer is simple. Knowing that the bulk of the high-end transactions that happen in the South Charlotte Triangle can save you a ton of time and, of course, looking at the right places and locations. But here's where it gets very interesting. If we break it down further by price range, you're going to notice something really important. 93% of luxury home sales in Charlotte over the past year fell between $1.5 and $4 million. Now, if your budget is on the higher end, let's say $4 million or above, there are opportunities, but they're much fewer in number. Homes in that ultra luxury category tend to be custom built, often located in the most exclusive enclaves like Myers Park, Eastover, and Foxcroft, which have long been the most sought after areas for high net worth buyers. Now, it's also important to remember that South Charlotte's appeal isn't just about luxury homes. It's really about lifestyle. So if you're looking at proximity to some of the best private schools, top tier country clubs, and high-end shopping, dining experiences, and literally a short commute to Charlotte Douglas Airport where you can get virtually anywhere in the world, this area makes a lot of sense and why it's so attractive for executives, athletes, and entrepreneurs who want that complete luxury package. Beautiful homes and a lifestyle to match. So to put it simply, if you're in the market market for a luxury home in the Charlotte area, focusing your search on the South Charlotte Triangle will give you the best options that we have available. And if you're thinking or looking for something truly unique, you might want to consider those smaller pockets, such as Lake Wylie, for more privacy, natural beauty, and of course, a lot bigger lot sizes. Now, what is the average price for a luxury home in Charlotte? Now, being part of numerous global networks and groups, I've always prided myself on staying on the pulse of the national luxury trends. This helps me serve you, whether you're looking to buy or sell, and of course, help you make well-informed decisions based on this latest national data. So let's look at what's happening nationally first. On your screen now, you'll see that the median sale price for single-family luxury homes in the United States as of August 2023 compared to August 2024, this data is sourced from the Luxury Home Marketing Institute as of September 2024, which includes over 100 of the top metropolitan areas. So what's the median sale price? Around 1.3 million. Now that might catch your eye. Even more is the average home size, just 1,912 square feet. For that price, it might not seem like a lot of space, depending on where you're coming from. And let's not forget that the median price per foot is also hovering around 500 a square. This encompasses all the major US luxury markets, giving us a comprehensive look at what luxury really costs across the country in the aggregate. Now, let's zoom out and come back to Charlotte, specifically that South Charlotte Triangle, and what is going on here with the luxury market. Well, I've pulled this data for all the closed homes ranging from 1.5 million to 10 million plus for single family homes over the last 365 days directly from our MLS. And here's what I got for you. There's been 438 closed homes with more than 80% falling into the 1.5 million to $3 million price bracket. Let's pause for a moment and think back to that national average. 1.3 million for roughly 1,912 square feet, costing about 500 a square. Here in Charlotte, you're getting double the square footage, sometimes 2 or 2.5 times the space for slightly more sale price. The median price per foot in the top luxury segments range from 400 all the way up to 575, providing homes that with averages between 4,300 all the way up to almost 6,000 square feet. This is a massive draw for buyers for high-end price states like California, New York, Florida, Texas, Illinois, Massachusetts. These stats are really compelling. Higher median sale prices and cost per square foot in those areas make Charlotte's luxury homes extremely appealing. Now, this is what I call the leverage up move. Selling a high-priced, smaller home in one of those pricier areas puts you in an enviable position for many. Imagine doubling your living space, enjoying Charlotte's beautiful weather, vibrant city life, being able to just be a stone throw away from one of the largest airports in the United States. This connectivity means you can fly virtually anywhere in the world with ease. And that's usually one of the first things I discuss with the most discerning buyers who call me about moving to our area. They're not just investing in a home here. They're upgrading their lifestyle significantly compared to these higher end, high priced locations across the country. So why is the leverage so high in Charlotte compared to other major cities? To put it very bluntly, it's where the smart money is moving. So here's the deal. Based on the top-notch data I've gathered from the Luxury Institute's national report as of September 2024, Charlotte's luxury market offers some of significant advantages over several of the high-priced markets across the United States. For instance, when you look at many of the top markets in California, luxury homes are priced approximately 140% higher than those in Charlotte. Yes, you heard that right, it's 140%. And that's just California. High demand locales like Florida beach towns and the northeastern cities like Boston, New York also check in with a much steeper luxury home price. So what does this mean for the savvy buyer? Well, the most discerning luxury buyers who might be looking to optimize, of course, their investments are selling their high dollar homes in these high pricier markets, and they're looking to relocate their money and capital to North Carolina, where the luxury market is still significantly more affordable. So as Charlotte continues to be fueled by absolutely robust economy and quality of life, the smart money and investors and discerning buyers see this as a monster opportunity. They recognize that just like getting in early on a rising stock, securing real estate in Charlotte right now is a very strategic move. The price leverage you're going to enjoy today is likely going to decrease as the market continues to mature and grow. Charlotte is growing rapidly with 117 people moving here every single day as of 2024. We've just matched Atlanta for the first time in history in terms of new residents moving in. The top states which residents are moving from are California, New York, Virginia, Florida, Texas, Illinois, and Massachusetts. This influx isn't just a numbers on a page. It's a dynamic shift that is set to push Charlotte's market even higher. For those considering investing here, these trends signify a prime opportunity that's ripe for taking advantage of. Just like any smart investment, timing is absolutely everything. And right now, Charlotte's real estate market is where the smart money is starting to move. One of the most insightful questions I get from luxury home buyers is, what is the average age of the luxury home inventory in Charlotte? Now, that's an excellent question that reveals a lot about the character and of course, quality of homes available in our market. So I've delved into the data here by price point to bring you this information. Across all luxury segments from 1.5 million to over 10 million, the average age of a home is centered around 1998, with the median year of construction being about 1996. This means that a bulk of our single-family luxury homes currently on the market are approximately 22 to 24 years old. Now, let's unpack what this means for you as a buyer. The United States saw a significant surge in new home construction during the late 90s and early 2000s, leading up to the financial crisis of 08. Custom home builders were particularly active during this period of time, often taking risks on spec homes that were quickly sold as demand soared. However, as we all know, this building frenzy screeched to a halt around 2006 to 2008, leading to a decade, 2006 to 16, where significantly homes were underbuilt. Now, despite the older age of these homes, there's a silver lining to all this. The homes built during this pre-crisis era were constructed with a level of craftsmanship that in many cases surpasses that craftsmanship of the newer construction that we are seeing today. As someone who has walked through countless homes with clients in this city, I can tell you that the build quality from this period often stands out. I make it a point to highlight these differences when showing these properties, emphasizing the durable, high-end construction that was typical during that era. So while our inventory might be aging, it's aging like fine wine. Many of these homes still offer exceptional quality and timeless appeal that you just don't find in everyday newer construction homes. So I hope you enjoyed that video on all the luxury data here within the city of Charlotte. Again, my name is Mitch, your premier go-to luxury real estate advisor serving the Lake Norman and Charlotte areas. All my information is on the screen and also below this video, but please do not forget to like and subscribe as we're gonna be coming out with more videos just like this, giving you incredible value and expert advice of exactly what's going on with the Charlotte luxury real estate market. But until next week, I'll talk to you soon.